Toyota 4Runner 5th Gen Common Problems. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're talking about the 2010 to 2019 Toyota 4Runner, the 5th generation, and the most common problems you might run into with this truck. Now, before we get started, I want to make something very clear. Don't get the wrong idea. The Toyota 4Runner is a great and extremely reliable vehicle. In my experience, and in my opinion, it's actually one of the best SUVs on the market. The reason we're talking about common problems is simple. Every vehicle from every manufacturer has weak points. No vehicle is perfect. So this video is just to help you stay informed and prevent bigger issues down the road. Alright, let's get into it. First, brake issues. Early 5th gen models are known for premature front brake pad and rotor wear. You might notice steering wheel vibration or brake pulsation when slowing down. In some cases, front caliper pistons can even seize. Next, frame corrosion. If the vehicle has lived in northern Rust Belt states, frame rust can be significant. Always inspect the undercarriage carefully, especially on higher mileage trucks. Another common issue is the front differential needle bearing. When it starts wearing out, you'll hear a howling or grinding noise while driving in 2-button. The interesting part is the noise often disappears when you shift into 4-button. Now let's talk about starter problems. Some owners experience a no-start condition caused by worn or corroded starter solenoid contacts. You may also see transfer case leaks, usually from the rear output shaft seal. On the electrical side, there have been reports of rear hatch window motor failures, rear wiper issues, and occasionally cracked or sticky dashboards, although that was more common on the previous generation. Another important one, the 4-bud actuator. If you don't engage the 4-bud system regularly, it can seize up. I always recommend cycling the 4-bud at least once a month to keep everything moving and lubricated. As mileage gets higher, some vehicles may also develop minor transmission shifting concerns, but overall the drivetrain is very solid. And just as a side note, the 2010 model year had several recalls, including ones related to airbags and fuel pump components, so always check recall history if you're buying one. But again, overall, this is a very durable, body-on-frame SUV. The engine and transmission in these trucks are known to last a very long time when properly maintained. If you maintain it, this truck will take care of you. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.